hello. Today we're talking about cheating at Yonsei University here in South Korea. Cheating. It's November 11th, Tuesday, November 11th, 2025, Seoul, South Korea. November 11th is a very important day. Why? Because of what? Because of cookies? No, not because of cookies. November 11th is Veterans Day in the United States, or in many countries, Remembrance Day. It's a day for remembering soldiers and the sacrifices that they've done for the rest of us. So please take time today, remember soldiers, okay? Remembrance Day, very important. Okay, that's not the news, but I wanted to make sure you do remember Remembrance Day. Remember Remembrance Day. Remember Remembrance Day. Okay? Alright, so the news is about cheating, which is bad, but doing something about it, that's good. We're going to go to our words before we do anything else. Let's look at our words. We have hearing, that's 2 syllables. Cheating, 2. Prestigious, 3. Forum, 2. Implications, 4. Requirements, 4. Admitted, 3. Investigation, 5 syllables. Incident, 3. And awareness, 3. Whew. Okay, let's get into it. Yonsei University, you know Yonsei, right? Very famous. Yonsei University is planning a major public hearing on artificial intelligence ethics after a large-scale cheating scandal involving AI tools like ChatGPT. The Seoul-based institution, one of South Korea's most prestigious universities, said its Institute for AI and Social Innovation will lead the forum, which will include both students and staff. The event will explore the implications of AI in education, especially as online classes and exams become more common. The scandal occurred during a midterm exam for a natural language processing course on October 15th, when dozens of students allegedly used AI to bypass exam monitoring requirements by adjusting their cameras and screens. Around 40 students have already admitted to misconduct, while others remain under investigation. The university sees this incident as a chance to promote deeper awareness of academic ethics and how AI should be responsibly used in future education. Okay, let's see. What is Yonsei University planning to hold after the cheating scandal? Public hearing on AI ethics or a sports festival? Which AI tool was reportedly used by students during the exam? ChatGPT or Google Translate? What subject was the midterm exam for? Natural language processing, NLP, or data science? How did students allegedly avoid detection during the exam? By adjusting their cameras and screens, or by submitting handwritten answers? What is the university's main goal in holding the forum? To raise awareness of AI ethics in education, or to punish all students involved? All right, today's name, Lily. That's Lily. She's helping her brother. And then here's the other Lily. So Lily is a girl's name, right? A popular female name, but it's also a type of tall flower with large, beautiful petals, often white or pink. You can see a lot of them during Easter here, all right, or in Canada and the U.S. Lily, spelling Lile, 2 syllables, ill, E. emphasis on the first, lily. Please be careful. Lily is wrong. Don't say lily. Lily, no. It's lil, lee. Only one lee at the end. Lil, e, lily. Don't say lily. I hear some Koreans say lily sometimes. All right. Lily helped her younger brother with his homework after school, and the white lily in the garden bloomed beautifully this morning. Okay, and weather for tomorrow, Wednesday, November 12th. Seoul, South Korea, high of 18, a low of 6, and it will be sunny. All right, a high of 18, low of 6. Mumbai, India, a high of 32, a low of 21, and also sunny. And for Mexico City, Mexico, a high of 23, a low of 6, and it will be partly sunny. All right, guys, have a great one. Please remember soldiers from every country, everywhere, who have sacrificed their lives trying to help others. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.